So good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, can we start? Jitendra, can we start? Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, let's start now. I'm starting. Yeah, let me start. Yeah, we can start. I hope your exam went well. I hope so. Yeah, let me start. For the GATE 2026. Algorithm subject for GATE 2026. Right, this is the plan. Algorithm subject for GATE 2026. So if you plan properly, this subject to complete, it will take maximum 20 to 30 days. If you plan properly, 20 days only. If you plan properly, 20 days only. It will take only 20 to 30 days. Just plan properly. It will take just 20 to 30 days. Plan properly, it will take 20 to 30 days. Right? Next one. So 20 days algorithm. Plan properly, 20 days algorithm, 20 days DS, 10 days C programming, or get DA people, DA people Python. Right? Plan properly. Within 1 month or 1.5 month. Within 1 month or 1.5 month, you can complete these three. You will get approximately 30 marks. You will get approximately 30 marks, 25 to 30 marks. Plan properly. If your target is GATE 2026, 20 days complete algo, 20 days complete DS, 10 days complete C programming. Within 30 to 45 days, complete these three subjects. You will get 30 marks. Literally, you will get 30 marks. Then followed by TOC CD. TOC CD you study. Followed by. Then you will get around 20 more marks. Around 20 more. Next one, aptitude. I think you can complete this one if you plan properly. 15 to 30 days it will take. You plan properly, 15 to 30 days it will take. Aptitude complete, right? So most probably 15 to 20 days. Maths complete, approximately 10 to 15 days. 10 to 15 days aptitude. So these two people combinedly will give approximately maybe 20 marks or 25 marks. Right? So remaining all 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, 8 marks, like that. Right? Something like that. Whatever subjects are there, they all will give 8 marks. Maybe here 20 to 30. Maybe here, right? Maybe here, I think 15 to 20. So like that, small variations. So my request to every person, my request to every person, 6 months complete syllabus. 6 months only complete syllabus. 6 months complete syllabus. If you want to crack the GATE exam, complete syllabus in 6 months. Complete syllabus in 6 months only. Complete syllabus 6 months. 6 months a complete syllabus. 6 months do practice. 6 months do practice. Right? When you complete the syllabus, total syllabus you completed, you will get 40 marks. Total syllabus completed, you will get 40 marks. When you start the practice, first time when you do practice, right, you will get the 50 marks. When you do one more time, right, one month, in the first month you will get 50. In the second month you may get 60. In the third month you may get 70. In the fourth month you may get 80. Right? In the fifth month you may get 90. In the sixth month you may get 100. This is the way. 6 months if you complete the syllabus, 6 months you have to do practice. Every month 10 marks will be added. Some people without doing practice they will go. Without doing any practice they will go to the exam. They may get 40 marks. They may get 50 marks. Those people who are getting now 40 to 50 marks, you know what mistake you done? Without practice you went. If anyone is getting 40 to 50 marks in the GATE exam, you went to GATE exam without any practice. You want to do practice in GATE exam. You don't want to do practice before. You want to do practice in GATE exam. That's the reason these mistakes are happened. 6 months complete syllabus, 6 months do practice. This is the only way to get the GATE exam. This is the only way to get the GATE examination, right? So one thing, GATE exam, in GATE exam, 13 subjects are there. GATE exam contain 13 subjects. You can do research. You can do research of any subject, because one subject research will take 5 years. If you do 13 subjects research, 13 subjects research will take 50 years. Try to understand. If anyone try to do PhD, one subject to do PhD 5 years, 13 subjects to do PhD 65 years needed. Don't try to do PhD, because here 13 subjects are there. 13 subjects, how can you do research in 1 year? It is impossible. It is impossible to do research 13 subjects in 1 year. If you want to crack the GATE exam, if you really want to crack the GATE exam, EPT team with you. EPT team will be with you. EPT team, total team with you. I will be with you. Within 1 year, you will crack the GATE exam. I will be there with you. My team will be there. I will be there. Mitali madam will be there. Abhinav sir will be there. Rishi sir will be there. All are rankers. We will give the nice rank to you. Within 1 year you will get the very good rank. It is a assurance from our side. It is a assurance. Within 1 year you will get. The only way to get 6 months complete syllabus, 6 months do practice, right? Every month, if you keep on doing practice, every month 10 marks will be added. Some people will go to exam without practice. If you go in the exam, you will get 40 marks. I just want to convey to every person: are you getting? Are you written the 2025 GATE exam? Are you written the GATE 2025? If you written the GATE 2025, just I want to say to you: are you getting 50 marks? The mistake what you done is you done the very less practice. Are you getting 40 marks? The mistake what you done is you are not done any practice. Are you getting 55 marks? The mistake what you done is you are little late for the practice. You are little late. Some people will go without test series. They will go to exam. Are you joking? Without test series, how can you go to exam? Some people will go without practice. They will go. How can you go to GATE exam without practice? How can you go to GATE exam without test series? Some people, 50% syllabus only they will complete. They will go to GATE exam. How can you do this? Some people will complete only 80% syllabus. They will go to GATE exam. How we are? The only way, the mistake what you done is you done the research in the subjects. You done the research in the subjects. Every subject you done the research. That is the reason these mistakes are happening. You want to get the good GATE rank within 1 year. Me and the EPT team will help you. Me and EPT team help you. Right? Every weekend there is a test also. Weekend tests are also there. Every weekend test will be there. Whatever subject is going on, every weekend test will be there. So, do you believe or not? This year GATE examination, 59 questions came from 59 questions came from directly from classroom notes. All students are getting shocked. Everyone is sending the message to me. Most of the questions came from directly from notes. Notes are right, either class notes direct questions came or RIC class directly questions came. And some questions came from weekend test. Some questions came from weekend test. 60, right, 59 questions directly from the class. So I will be there with you. I will be there with you. So if you want, some people what they will do is they don't start the preparation now. They will start the preparation at the end. If you do at the end, you can maximum complete syllabus. You want to crack the nice rank, start today. Don't cry lastly. Sir, 80% syllabus only over, no practice. Sir, 50% syllabus only over, no practice. Sir, test series I am not done. Right? Many people will ask many questions. Many people will ask many questions. So there is no answer. Simple answer is very simple. Right? Just complete syllabus, do practice. How to complete the syllabus? Make sure every subject. Don't spend more than 20 days. Every subject don't spend more than 20 days. Every subject you can manage 15 to 20 days. 15 to 20 days you can manage. Every subject you can manage 15 to 20 days. Right? So my plan is, because of the new batch now, new batch is started. Today is the new batch starting. For all the new people, I am saying to you, starting now algorithm. Start algorithm. Right? Start algorithm. Algorithm followed by C programming, followed by data structures. Algorithm, C programming, data structure. This is for CS people. CS people, this is. DA people, we are starting algo, followed by Python, followed by DS. Right? For the DA people, just to do this. Right? Within 30 to 45 days, you have to complete. Within 30 to 45 days, you have to complete. 30 to 45 days you have to complete. Don't give for any subject more than 20 days. You can complete every subject 15 to 20 days. You can do it. Right? So please careful. These are the three subjects which is your target first. Followed by. Right? So DA people can study DBMS. Right? The gate CSC people can go for TOC. Right? CD and some other subject. Okay, let's start. Without wasting time, let's start now. Algorithm. First subject is algorithm. Let's start. Start algorithm. First subject is algorithm. Right? So please be careful. All the total question paper is directly based on algorithms only. So that is the reason I am starting first algorithm. Right? If you know algorithm, you know DS also. You know algorithm, you know DS also. This year paper I seen, right? 100% questions came directly from notes. 100% came directly from notes. All the questions are, we made one video also. In that video, I shown all the things. 100% questions came from, right, class notes only. Class notes and RIC class. Right? Most probably to you also same thing will happen. Let's start now. Algorithms. Algorithm subject, first topic. Algorithm subject, first topic. Right? So analyzing algorithm means finding time complexity, space complexity. First chapter. Finding time complexity and space complexity. That is the first chapter. That is the first chapter. In algorithm, syllabus I am writing finding time complexity, space complexity, which is called analysis. Second topic, asymptotic notation. Asymptotic notation. That is the second topic. Third topic, recursion. Third topic, recursion. Recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. This is the third topic. And recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. That is the third one. Fourth one, greedy technique. First one, I think first divide and conquer. Yeah. So fourth one, divide and conquer. Fourth one is divide and conquer. Yeah. Fifth one, greedy technique. Sixth one, dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. So this chapter is not there for the GATE DA people. GATE DA people it is not there. GATE CS people it is there. GATE DA people it is not there, but GATE CSE people it is there. So finding time complexity, space complexity, that is the first chapter. Asymptotic notation, that is the second chapter. Recursion, recurrence relation solving, third chapter. Fourth one is divide and conquer. Fifth one is greedy technique. Sixth one is dynamic programming, right? Seventh one. Maybe hashing you can write. Eighth one, graph and tree traversal. Graph and tree traversal. This is the algorithm syllabus. This is the algorithm syllabus. My suggestion to everyone, if you want to write GATE exam, start now. If you want to write GATE exam, start now. Yeah, Srihari is saying that, sir, can we also write any other PSU exam with the help of this syllabus? Of course, every exam you can write. Srihari, you can write every exam. Srihari, you can write every exam. For a DA and CSE algorithm course is same, except last topic. Sixth topic not there. Sixth topic not there. Sixth topic not there. Sixth topic not there. Sir, how to manage studies with a job? It becomes very, very tiresome after a job to do studies. Yeah, I think good things are always like this. Jitendra, good things are always like this. Sir, this is set 2 paper was tough. I don't think so. Both are almost similar. I didn't see that much big difference. Someone is saying set 2 is difficult or not. Maybe little, but not that much. Almost similar both. I seen the question paper, both are almost similar. Almost similar, little maybe. Few more questions I am unable to see. I seen approximately 40 questions. Approximately 40 questions I see. Most of the things are similar. Similar things are there. So this is the syllabus. Few days back, I started the discrete mathematics. Few days back, I started the discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics I started few days back. Right? It's almost, they are able to complete the syllabus. Graph theory also completed. Logic is, I think 1 week or 10 days back we started. Logic is over. Graph theory also over. This Wednesday, graph theory will be over. Thursday onwards, we are going to group theory. So my suggestion is please start early. Please start early. My request to everyone, you want to start early. Right? This is the syllabus. Finding time complexity, space complexity, asymptotic notation, recursion, reconciliation solving. Fourth one is divide and conquer. Fifth one is greedy technique. Sixth one is dynamic programming. Seventh one is hashing. Eighth one is graph traversal, tree traversal. This is the syllabus. This is the algorithm syllabus. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This is the algorithm subject. This is algorithm subject. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know, so that we can proceed further. Can we go next? Any doubt? Can we go next? Any doubt? Can we go next? Everyone, please let me know. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Before going to the actual topic, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And one more thing, one more suggestion to everyone. One more suggestion, right? We have WhatsApp group also, Telegram group also. Please, my request is please join there. WhatsApp group also there, Telegram group also there. Join there because all your doubts you can ask. WhatsApp group there, Telegram there, join there. Approximately from those group, whatever we discussed, approximately 20-25 questions, 20 to 25 questions came from group itself. 20 to 25 questions came from group itself. In the group, whatever we discussed, mostly 20 to 25 questions came from the group itself. From the WhatsApp group or Telegram itself, 20 to 25 questions came. Right? So it's a very helpful WhatsApp group or Telegram group you can join. This is our number, right? You can ping us. We are going to add you. If you are serious about GATE 2026, my request to everyone, please join this WhatsApp group or Telegram group. If you are not joined, please ping us through this number. It's a WhatsApp number. We are going to join you. Yeah, fine. It's a very, very important one. It's a very, very important statement. From this Telegram group or WhatsApp group, you can join. You can ask all your doubts. Many questions came directly from group itself. Sir, will you complete all the GATE syllabus in live class? Yeah, we will complete. Right? For every subject live also there, recording also there. Every subject live also there, recording also there. Right? Now come to the next one. If you are serious about GATE 2026, if you serious, my strong request to all the people, if you serious, go to ExamPrepTool.com. If you are not joined, join there. Right? Because from after few classes will be there in the EPT. Go to ExamPrepTool.com. You can, if you are CSC, join CSC. If you are a DA, join DA. Because after few days, classes will be in the EPT. Here only samples, only 3 or 4 classes will be there. This is only for sample purpose. You can happily join there and you can start. Every subject we will complete. 15 to 20 days. Every subject we will complete 15 to 20 days. Every subject. For one subject, this much. Within this time, we will complete. Every subject within this time you will complete. Just go to example. If you serious, you join. Others, if you are not serious, you no need to join. Now come to the first chapter. Chapter 1. Algorithm chapter 1. Algorithm chapter 1. Algorithm chapter 1. Right? It's the introduction. So algorithm chapter 1. So let's start. Let's start now. Algorithm. Algorithm. So I think this definition everyone know. Someone is saying DM kitne hour ka hai. So it is approximately same thing. Pankaj, it is same thing like other subjects only. There is nothing special. There's nothing special. You may like, you may not like. Or it is an exam, yeah. It is an exam. Please try to understand. Everything you have to study within the limited time. Otherwise, you have to study GATE 2 years or 3 years. I am able to see some students who are studying from 2 years or 3 years. Syllabus is not over. Who are studying from 2 years or 3 years, syllabus not over. Every subject will be same time, around 60 to 70 hours. Every subject should be over 60 to 70 hours, right? That is more than enough. 60 to 70 you should do every subject. 60 to 70, 60 to 70 you have to complete. Maximum maybe 70 hours are more than enough, followed by RIC classes. Means good questions practice. Good questions practice is over. Say approximately 70 hours class followed by practicing. It's more than enough. So more than enough. Someone is saying lag. Someone is saying lag. Yeah, let me make it 5G. Let me make 5G. Let me make 5G. Yeah, I think someone is saying how to manage work and gate preparation. Srihari, all the people are like you only. You are doing job and you are doing gates, right? Many people are college and job, college and gate, right? Most of the people are college people and gate people. Some people are job people, gate people. These are the only two people. Only for gate, very less people. So if you want something, you have to manage. You want something, then you have to manage. You want something, then you have to manage. So chapter one, algorithm. And one more thing I want to say to you. From, from, right? From Wednesday onwards, morning. From Wednesday onwards, morning TOC starting. From Wednesday onwards, morning TOC starting. Now algorithm starting. From Wednesday onwards, morning TOC starting. Morning TOC starting from Wednesday onwards. Right? My request to all the people. Right? Join that also. Right? If you join in this batch, you can attend both. Within 1 month, both will be over. Within 1 month, both will be over. Right? Morning study TOC, evening study algorithm. Morning study TOC, evening study algorithm. Within 1 month, both will be over. Within 1 month, both will be over. I will make sure within 1 month, both will be over. Every month, two subjects. Every month, two subjects will be over. Every month, two subjects will be over. Then everything all right. If you can plan it, it's over. Every month, two subjects. Morning one, evening one. Morning one, evening one, like that. Chapter one, right? Algorithm starting. Wednesday onwards, TOC is starting. Right? If anyone not join, if you have small doubt also, WhatsApp me, I'm going to help you. If you join in the EPT, I'm saying to you, within 1 year, you will get the nice rank. Within 1 year only, you will get the nice rank. I will plan everything. Everything I will plan. Just you have to study. Everything you have to plan. Everything I will plan. Just you study. This year, 59 questions came in the question paper. From the question paper, if you see the notes, directly, just minute changes are there. 59 questions directly. 59 questions directly came. Right? Fine. Now come here now. Algorithm definition. Algorithm definition. It is a combination of. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is the definition. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Sir, with algo can we continue with TOC? Of course, both are same. Algo, TOC, both are same. Algo, TOC, both are same. I don't see any difference. Algo, TOC, discrete mathematics, all three are similar. Algo, TOC, discrete mathematics, all three will be similar indirectly, directly. indirectly, directly. In algorithm, pseudocode there. In TOC, automatas are there. Right? In the discrete mathematics. So in terms of graph, in terms of logic, indirectly, directly, all three subjects similar. How are you, sir? Raz, I am fine. So it is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It's algorithm definition. It is algorithm definition. Let's move to next one. Algorithm definition is done. Let's move to next. Example. Example. Algorithm definition is over. Example. Right? Some algorithm I have to write. I am giving the algorithm. Some algorithm name is ABC. Supposition that I will try some small name. I will try small name. Something like multiplication. Mul. One algorithm I am writing. Multiplication. Mul I am writing. Mul. So first step is in algorithm. First step is take two numbers. I want to multiply two numbers. Take two numbers. A and B. Take two numbers A and B. Okay. Second step is add A and B. Add A and B. Store in C. Third step, right? Print C or return C. Print C or return C. This is the algorithm. This is the algorithm. I written the definition. I given one example. I given algorithm example. I written the algorithm definition. I given one example. Yeah, Srihari, you recording also there, live also there. Right? So recording also there, live also there. Most important thing is guidance. Srihari, most important thing is guidance. Otherwise, you will stuck in between. You will lose the consistency, right? You may not continue. You may not motivated. It is not possible. Right? You may stuck. Okay, multiplication, right? So you can add. So let me remove it. Thank you so much. Multiply A and B, store in C. Multiply A and B, store in C. Yeah, thank you. You want to multiply two numbers. This is the algorithm for this. Algorithm is nothing but pseudocode. If you want to multiply two numbers, take both the numbers, right? Take the two numbers, whatever you want to multiply, right? Multiply both of them, store in C, return C. This is the algorithm. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Until now, I said only two things: algorithm definition, algorithm example. Definition, example. Two things I written. First, I written the definition. Next, I written the algorithm. Let me know anyone having any objection. Definition, one example. Now some people are asking, sir, definition, can you explain? Sir, you written the definition. We are happy, but can you explain? See this. Algorithm is nothing but a combination of, combination. Algorithm contains three steps. All three steps are compulsory. Combination. All three steps are required. Okay, that is fine. Yeah. Now fine. It's disturbing me a little bit, so I moved it. Okay, fine. So algorithm is nothing but it is a combination of. So combination means what? All three compulsory. So I written. It is a combination of all three compulsory. Sequence of C. Most probably after first line, second line will come. After second line, third line. Most probably order is important. Finite steps. See, only three steps are there. Remember, every line is important. Finite steps. Three steps are there. It is a combination of all are compulsory. Sequence of mostly order is important. Finite steps, mostly finite steps are there. Some people are asking why finite steps are, why not infinite steps? If at all infinite steps are there, it will take infinite time. If you write infinite steps, it will take infinite time. That is the reason algorithm should contain finite steps only. From today onwards, if anyone say, what is algorithm definition? Algorithm means some statements are there. Combination of all you have to take care. Mostly sequence is important and finite number of steps. Some people are asking, sir, finite also there, right? Then what is the next one? To solve at the end of the day, it should solve a problem. All compulsory, mostly sequence is important, and finite steps are required. If at all infinite steps, infinite time it will take. At the end, it should solve the problem. What is the solving here? Multiplying two numbers. If you want to multiply, you have to take two numbers. Na? I already taken. First step, take two numbers. Second step, multiply A and B, store in C. Third step, return C. Right? That is the definition. Many definitions are there. One definition I written. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Right? Take two numbers A and B, multiply A and B, store in C, return C. If you have small objection also, Reddy sir, I have some small objection. Please let me know. Many definitions are there. It is a one definition. Just a definition example. No one will ask in the exam also. In the exam, no one will ask you. No one will ask what the definition. No one will ask what the example. If I don't say, you feel that Reddy sir is not covered basics. Reddy sir is not covered basics. People will say Reddy sir is not covered basics. It is a combination of sequence of finite step to solve a problem. It is a definition. It is an example. Sir, why only 3 steps, sir? Finite steps. Right? If required, you write 5 also. If required, you write 10 also. If required, you write 20 steps also. Requirement is there, then right. But remember, finite steps only how to write. Mostly sequence is important. Mostly. You cannot swap 1 and 2. First statement, second statement, you cannot swap. Second statement, third statement, you cannot swap. Mostly order also important. But don't do any research on the algorithm definition. Don't do research on algorithm definition, just only for namesake. It's a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem, right? So followed by one example. If you agree, in the comment section you write, agree, sir. If you agree, in the comment section you write. If you agree, you can write in the comment section, we can proceed further. Definition I written. If you agree, please type agree. Many definitions are there. One definition is enough. But no one will ask you. Please study properly. No one will ask you. Okay, I think the definition is over. One example also I given. Definition, one example also over. Next one. See the next one. See the next one. Everyone try to be careful. Next step, next one is going to be, everyone try to understand. Next one is going to be, properties of algorithm. If anyone say, they, whatever they written, suppose assume that you written something. Based on this definition, you written something. You want to clarify whatever you written is an algorithm or not. You want to clarify. Just you want to check, is it algorithm or not? See, if at all you are a human being, if at all someone is a human being, some properties are there. Oh, human being, right? Properties are, he cannot kill other people. If at all you are a human being, you cannot harm anyone. Right? When you say human being, some rules are there. You cannot kill someone. Right? You cannot create any damage to other people if at all you are a human being. So like this here also, when you say algorithm, some properties are there. Sir, algorithm definition is there. Based on the definition, I written something. Is it algorithm? Right? Need not be, because some properties are there. You have to satisfy. What is the first property? Some people are asking, what are the first properties are? If at all it is algorithm, first property. If at all it is algorithm, first property should be, it should. Whenever someone say that it is algorithm, first property, it should terminate. It should terminate after some time or after finite time. It should terminate after finite time. That is the first step. Sir, is it algorithm? First step. It should terminate after finite time. If it is going infinite loop, it is not a algorithm. Right now, I think most probably fine. Right? If it is algorithm, the first property should be it should terminate after finite time. It should terminate after finite time. That is the first step. Second step. Second step. If it is algorithm, first one is it should terminate. Second one is going to be it should produce. It should produce at least. It should produce at least one output. It should produce at least one output. It should terminate after finite time. Second step, it should produce at least one output. At least one output should come. If you want, you can check. Is it algorithm? Someone is saying that is it algorithm? First step. Is it terminating? Of course. Is it producing at least one output? C. Return C. Of course. Right? That is the second step. Third step. Third step. Right? Careful. Third step. When you say it is algorithm, it is independent of programming language. See, normal English line I written. You cannot say algorithm not possible, right? For Java, in Java language, it is not possible. C++ language, it is not possible. You cannot say this. It is independent of programming language. See, nowhere code is there. Normal English line. Algorithm means it. It is independent of algorithm. It is independent of programming language. It is independent of programming language. It's independent of programming language. That is the third point. And one more, fourth one, it is a deterministic algorithm. It should be deterministic. It should be deterministic. It should be deterministic. When you say it is algorithm, if I run now, some output is came by giving what some people are asking, what is the deterministic, right? If I give X input, output is Y came. After some time, if I give X, so output should be Y only. It cannot give Z. For the input I given X as input, I got output as Y. After some time, if I give X, so it should give Y only. Same X, so you cannot give two different outputs. Suppose X, Y came. If I give X after some time, some Z came. That is called as non-deterministic algorithm. X given, Y came. But after some time, if I give X, so Z came. It's not a algorithm. It is a non-deterministic algorithm. But algorithm means deterministic algorithm. Algorithm means deterministic. However, there is a non-deterministic algorithm also. Right? When I say human being, good human beings only. However, there is a bad human beings also. Right? We no need to consider them. Human being means good people only. Only for namesake. Right? Those people who are not good, they are available. Right? But actually, human being means good people only. In the similar way, algorithm means deterministic algorithm only. Only for namesake, non-deterministic algorithms are there. It should be deterministic. It should be deterministic. Next one, fifth one. It should terminate after finite time. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of the programming language. It should be deterministic. Next. Anything else? If anyone want to say something, you can say. Ready, sir, this point. If any point is left out, please let me know. Please let me know if any point is there. Definition I said, one example I given, I written the properties also. It should terminate after finite time. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of programming language. It should be deterministic. Anything else? Anyone? Do you want to suggest anything? Gate is also algorithm. Yes. The people who are conducting, so gate procedure, the way how the gate exam will be conducted, that is also algorithm. Using one algorithm, they will conduct the gate. Using one algorithm, they will conduct first maybe, right, something like notification they will give. That is the first step of the algorithm. Gate algorithm, first step. Gate algorithm, first step is going to be give the notification. Next one is going to be, next one, right? Give the syllabus. Syllabus. Maybe next one is going to be, I think, a registration. Next one is, right, sending the hall ticket. Lastly, giving the exam. Next one, I think, right, after exam is over, after some point of time, giving result. Afterwards, some admission. It is one algorithm. Algorithm is a stepwise procedure. Is there anything else you want to say? Properties. But no one will ask you, only for your convenience. When you say algorithm, it should terminate after finite time. Next one, it should produce at least one output. It is independent of programming language. It should be deterministic. Anything else you want to say? Hello? Is there anything else you want to say? Yeah, let me write now. It is efficient. Yeah, actually not required also. If you don't write also, no problem. These 4 points are enough. Nice points I written. Unnecessary things I remove. Unnecessary things I remove. These 4 points are more than enough. These 4 points are more than enough. Are you comfortable? Yeah, let me move to next one. So these all the three things remember. Definition, next one is example, next one is properties. These all three things you remember. So terminate after finite time. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of programming language. It should be deterministic. Right? Next one. Next one. Some people are saying that, sir, what is the next? Let me write the next one. Steps required to design algorithm. Steps required to design algorithm. Steps required to design algorithm. What are the steps? Some people are asking, sir, properties are okay, but to get those properties, can I write the algorithm blindly or some procedure? It is better to follow some procedure. Steps required to design algorithm. See, without following these steps, if you write the algorithm, sometimes those properties may not satisfy. It is better to always having some procedure. Sir, I want to write algorithm for a particular problem. Should I follow steps? It is better. Sir, can I write blindly? Can I write manually? If you write manually, sometimes these properties may not hold good. These are the algorithm properties. They may not hold good if you write blindly. It's better to follow some steps. When you follow some steps, it is right. When you follow some steps, advantage is going to be, if you follow some steps, advantage is going to be always properties will be hold good. So if you go to the TCS company made some product. TCS company made some product. Mostly it will work out because they are having some procedure. They are having some steps. If the Microsoft company makes some product, it will mostly work. It will mostly work because they will follow some procedure. If startup company makes some product, it may work, may not work because they don't have procedure. Startup company people, they will do manually. They will do some within less time they will do it. Startup company people will do within less time. It may work out, may not work out. But if you take the big companies like TCS, big company like Microsoft, Infosys, right, Google, if you take the big companies, they may take more money, but they are having some steps required to design algorithm. If you follow these steps, you are going to get wonderful algorithm. So some people are asking, what are the steps, sir? First step, problem definition. First step, problem definition. So if you want to write algorithm for any problem, first step is know problem clearly. Know the problem clearly. That is the meaning of problem definition. You want to write algorithm for any problem, know the problem clearly. So when you say know the problem clearly, this is the meaning. Right? X1 input, what is the output? Check Y1. X2 input, what is the output? Check Y2. X3 input, what is the output? You check Y3, and so on, and so on, and so on. Next one, Xn input. Xn input, what is the output? Yn. So when you say problem definition, for every input, you know what is the output. For every input, what is the output, you know. That is the meaning of problem definition. Steps required to design algorithm. Right? So first step is knowing the problem. Some people, what they will do is, without knowing the problem, they will try to write algorithm. It is impossible. Know the problem clearly. Sir, what is the meaning of knowing problem clearly? For every input, what is the output check? Suppose for some input you don't know output, means you don't know the problem clearly. Without knowing problem clearly, how can you write algorithm? It is impossible. You want to write algorithm for any problem, know the problem clearly. Some students, what they will do is, without knowing problem, they want to write algorithm. Bhaiya, what you want to do, yaar? You don't know problem, then what you want to do? Are you want to do something? Know the problem. Know the problem clearly. Sir, knowing the problem means what, sir? For every input, what is the output to get to know? X1 input, what is the output? If it is your, if you know the problem clearly, please let me know. X1 input, what is the output? Y1. Okay. X2 input, what is the output? Y2. Okay. X3 input, what is the output? Y3. Suppose Xn input, what is the output? You don't know. Means problem you are not clear. You want to write algorithm for any problem. Know the problem clearly. Means for every input, please check what is the output. Okay, fine. If you know the problem clearly, for every input, what is the output, you know? See this one. In algorithm subject already, some algorithms are there. In algorithm subject already, some algorithms are there. It is something like this one. Listen, it is something like this. It is something like this one. If you want to cook the food, you no need to, right? So rice is there. You no need to manufacture rice. Rice is available in the market. Go and take. Next one, vegetables also there in the vegetable market. Go and take. Those people who are cooking the food, right? So they no need to do farming. Sir, if any cook is there, is cooking, he will do farming and he will cook the food. No, that is the meaning of cook. He knows very well. Oh, right. I think rice required. It is there in the market. Go and take. Vegetables required. It is there in the vegetable market. Go and take. In the similar way, if you want to design algorithm for any problem, know the problem clearly. Yes. Afterwards, in algorithm subject already some algorithms are there. Which algorithm suitable to your problem? Please check. That is called as right. Select designing technique. Right. Select designing technique. Algorithm subject already having so many algorithms or so many designing techniques. So many design techniques are there. Select one of the designing technique. Design algorithm. Design algorithm means so many algorithms are there which is suitable. You select it. Algorithm subject having so many algorithms for your problem, because of you know the problem clearly, to your problem which is more suitable in the available algorithm. Select your required algorithm. Design algorithm. Remember, algorithm subject already having algorithm. Which algorithm suitable to you? Please you take. Which is also called template. In web development terminology, it is called template. Next one, in the Android development terminology, this is called as a template. Algorithm subject having so many algorithm, so many templates. Which template is suitable to you? You please select. Don't select blindly. If you select blindly, the template which you selected, it may not be suitable. Some people are thinking that algorithm designing is nothing but every time will I write from scratch? No. I want to cook some food. Should I do farming? No. I want to become a web developer. Should I design everything from the scratch? No. Already there are built-in things. Just use it. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Already there are so many web development things are there. Just your required things you take, keep in the required place. Design algorithm. Some people are asking, what is the meaning of design algorithm? What is the answer? So many algorithm techniques are there. One algorithm designing technique is divide and conquer. One more is greedy technique. One more is dynamic programming. One more is backtracking. One more is branch and bound. Divide and conquer, greedy technique, dynamic programming, backtracking, branch and bound. There are almost like 5 techniques are there, right? 5 techniques. There are many. Majorly, these are the things. Out of them, which is more suitable to your problem, you please select. When you select dynamic programming, right? You should know when to select dynamic programming. Some people are asking, sir, to my problem, I want to design algorithm. Can I do this? Yes, you can do, but some experience required. Initial days, you may take wrong one. It may take a lot of time. But when you are keep on growing, when you became algorithm expert, mostly you should know, you will get to know which one I have to select for your required problem. So in the available technique, which one I have to pick to solve my problem, that is called designing algorithm. You no need to do anything from scratch. We are there in the advanced world. This world having so many intelligent people, right? So before me, there are so many intellectuals are there. They are created so many algorithms. So you can use them. You can use the algorithms which are already our elders are created. You can use them. Suppose if you think you can create one new technique, you can create. If you think that a new technique I can create, you can create. You can create and you can add in the list. Existing things use, new things you can create. Sir, I want to do something from scratch. Of course, you can do it. That is the reason, right? So day to day, there are so many smart people are coming. The things which are not existing 20 years back, now they are existing because some smart people are created new algorithms. Existing things utilize. If at all you want to create something new, you can create from scratch. There is no problem at all. But second step is design algorithm. Are you creating new one? Are you taking from existing one? Mostly all are available. Until unless you are a very smart person, you may not create anything new. If you create anything new, that's okay. But in the existing one, which is more suitable to you, you please select. Let us assume I selected DAC. So to your problem, DAC may be more suitable. So when our second step is over, that means you have algorithm. When our second step is over, that means you have algorithm to solve your problem. Algorithm means pseudocode. Third step is using that pseudocode, you can draw flowchart. Draw flowchart. Third one is draw flowchart. Right? When you have pseudocode, draw flowchart. Flowchart advantages in the diagram format will be there. So I think visualization becomes easy. Visualization becomes easy. When you say algorithm, pseudocode. Same pseudocode, right, in the form of a one diagram. That is called flowchart. Fourth step, because of you have a flowchart, by giving different inputs, please verify, right, for every input output is coming or not. So verification, which is also called testing or a verification. Okay. So testing done. While doing testing, something wrong happened. Inform to designer. While doing testing, something wrong happened. Inform to designer. He will do in the existing logic small modifications, followed by again draw flowchart, followed by again testing. This process is keep on going. This process is keep on going. When our testing successful, means your whatever design, whatever algorithm you design, everything perfect. There is no flaw. The problem is as of now that algorithm is not there inside computer because it is a pseudo code, right? But you want to keep inside computer, then you have to do some coding, right? Implementation. Coding is called implementation. When you know everything is fine, using some programming language, do coding. Lastly, sixth step is analysis. If you want, right, analysis, you can write the sixth, right? I think you can change the position also. Many places you can do analysis. All are correct. Fourth step is over, testing also done. Fifth step is analysis. Yeah, analysis, I think everything is fine. Sixth one, do implementation. Seventh one, I think that's perfect. This is enough. These are the 7 steps. You can swap also. Fifth one, sixth one, you can swap also. Fifth one, sixth one also you can spare, no problem at all. Yeah, so if anyone asks you from today onwards, I want to design algorithm to my problem, what is the first step? Know the problem clearly, problem definition. Get every minute details of right that particular problem. Every input, what is the output, please verify. For every input, what is the output, please verify. Next step, design algorithm. Means in the existing designing techniques, in the existing templates, which template is more suitable to your problem, please select. If you don't know, then you have to take manually something, you have to try. That is the reason fresher people don't know. Freshers don't know, they may take one by one technique existing, they will try. So I think the first one they will try, if it is not working, second one they will try, if it is not working, like that freshers normally will take more time. If you are experienced one, you may select the correct designing technique, then your problem will be solved immediately. So select the correct designing technique. Yes, now you have a right, I think only pseudocode means normal English line. Draw in the form of a diagram, flowchart. After flowchart is available, now check in the flowchart. Right, for your problem, is the algorithm whatever is given, is it working fine or not? Verify. If not fine, inform to designer, right? Saying that in your algorithm some flaws are there because these are not working. Then you will fix a little bit. Again, draw the flowchart. Again, testing. Continue, continue, continue until no flaw. Whenever testing is successful, there is no mistake. Then what you do is do analysis. What is the meaning of analysis? I will explain within few minutes. After analysis over, then go for implementation. Right, like that. So these are the 6 steps. Tomorrow, as soon as we start the class, right? I will do the remaining steps. Okay. Here I am stopping. Tomorrow, as soon as I will start the class, I will start from here. So today's class, because of introduction, I said very less. Definition. Next one, example. What are the properties algorithm should have? Yes, these are the properties. Next one, to satisfy these properties, every time algorithm is these properties should be satisfied. Then how to construct algorithm? Can I do manually or some procedure? This is the procedure. If you do blindly, those tips may not satisfy. But when you follow this procedure, compulsory those steps will be satisfied. See, in the testing phase, they will verify properties are working or not. If properties are not working, they will inform to designer, can you change the design? So you will fix a small thing. You will draw the flowchart again testing. It will keep on continue until testing becomes successful. That is the reason big companies are having procedure. In some companies, 6 steps are there. In some companies, maybe 20 steps are there. In some companies, maybe 25 steps are there. Big companies, more steps are there. I cannot say every company follow this only. If they have more money, more pages they will keep. So that product quality will increase. Suppose they have less money, maybe less stages are there. So that flaws may not be out. When more stages are there, more flaws will be out. So big companies normally having more steps. Just I written some procedure. Knowing the problem clearly, problem definition, design the algorithm from the existing one, find out best one which is suitable. No need to do everything from scratch. You can do everything from scratch. It will take more time. Unnecessarily you are wasting time. After selecting the available template, one of the good template which is suitable to you, draw flowchart, do testing, afterwards analysis, afterwards implementation. Tomorrow exactly 7 o'clock. I will start. 7 p.m. I will start tomorrow. 7 p.m. I will start tomorrow. Little doubt also there. You can ask me now. Sir, what reference book is best for algorithm? Yeah, I will keep in the group. Today in the group I will post. There is one book is there, Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. But the problem with the book is approximately 1500 pages are there. If you keep on study 1500 pages, gate exam will be over. For algorithm purpose, one book is there, Coreman. 1500 pages are there. If you keep on study those 1500 pages, Algorithm subject you are keep on studying. Gate exam is over. You got to know that tomorrow gate exam, even algorithm subject also not over. Only for namesake I will give that book to you. Only for namesake I will give. Only for namesake I will give that book to you. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask. No one will refer the book. Still, if you want, you can refer wherever doubt is there. Don't refer for everything purpose. Wherever doubt there, refer. Next one. Next one. If you have any small doubt also, this is my WhatsApp number. You can ping me. I will help you. Right? That's the one thing. And those people who are not taking subscription, you can go and you can take subscription. It will be really useful to you. Our team really going to help you. Every day they will solve your doubts. Every day they will solve your doubts. Sir, is there any live classes going on EPT app? Yeah, it is going on. Discrete mathematics is going on. Discrete mathematics is going on. Discrete mathematics is going on. Right? So today, now, right? Algo is going on. Day after tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, morning, TOC will start. Morning, TOC will start. So please careful. Every subject don't take more than 15 to 20 days. Every subject don't take more than 15 to 20 days. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye, everyone. Yeah, maybe. Teja, it can be. It can be also. Right? MSQ, multiple select question. Multiple. Multiple means actually more than one. Sometimes one also I seen. Sometimes one also I seen, but most of the time, more than one only. Most of the time, more than one. Sometimes one also I seen. For some problem in the last year, I seen one, right? One option also there. One option also there. Right, perfect. MSQ is very odd for all the people, not only to you, for all the people. Not only to you, for all the people, everyone. It is a tough means for everyone. It is easy means for all. Why to bother? Chalo. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.